Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up to the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fan and realness. I am so excited because today I have something pretty special, and it is the Heartstopper and Good Light collaboration. Now, I am not a beauty channel, so this is a little different, but of course the reason I got it was because of the collaboration with Heartstopper. This packaging is super adorable, and then on the front it says, "Everyone deserves the perfect romance." I will say that I did not do a great job reversing this box because this is the box it came in and I done tore it up. So this packaging is not their fault, it's mine because I am just a brute. Has this nice little paper there. There was packing peanuts that came with it. Just threw them away. I do wish though it did come in as another box, but sustainability reasons, cool. Otherwise, really not the most effective way to deliver a product that you want people to try, think are going to collect these and keep it nice and pristine. Like I thought so, because I thought the box was within the box. That's why I kind of trashed it up a bit myself, like when I tore into it. But because it's actually reversible, now I'm kind of like kicking myself in the butt, like, why did you do that? None of this is really a recommendation of any sorts. I have no authority on this type of products, but I have been noticing that I've been getting stress acne. Like here, I have a little blemish, but I'm freaking out or something. I actually was very fortunate during my adolescence that I was not riddled with acne, so I had pretty clear skin up until now my early 30s to mid 30s. Let's practice some honesty. So I will pop up here what I ended up seeing. I actually found about this collaboration looking at another YouTuber's channel, and they actually ended up speaking about this collaboration, and I thought, well, I love Heartstopper. This always happens. I just had put out my Heartstopper collection video, and then this product comes out, and I'm just like, what? Really? So they say it's 7 items. So 7 items does not include 7 beauty items. So you have other knickknacks that I'm about to show you here. So this is Heartstopper and Good Light. This is the Moon Glow Milky Toning Lotion. Okay. Obviously, I'm in it just for the packaging. Very cute little detail, but look at who's on the side. Oh, it's the babies. It's Elle and Tao. Oh, these two are some beautiful people. Love them. It says here and queer, and I freaking love it. This packaging is everything. What I like about this product is that it balances the pH while hydrating your skin, so they claim. Okay, let's take it out. Oh, this even has the tag here, Heartstopper Good Light. I don't think the bottles have changed. I just think the packaging is different. Yeah. This is a glass bottle. All right. Okay. This is an ultra light dreamy toner, hydrates, exfoliates, smooths, leaving your skin balanced, moisturized, and radiant like the full moon. That's very cute. This is 3.38 fluid ounces. That's really good. The next thing we have here, oh no, this, oh bummer. I'm glad this just happened on the back though. Oh no, it kind of fucked it all around, excuse me. This is the Cosmic Dew Water Cleanser. So you have the typography there, and look who it is. It's the babies. We call them all babies. This is Nick and Charlie. How adorable. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh, yes. Essentially my plan is just to take all the products out of the boxes and use the box for display. But let's see what this is all about. Our Celestial Gel to Foam Cleanser gently removes all dirt and impurities, leaving a balanced, healthy, and otherworldly glow. This is also 3.38 fluid ounces, which is really good. Again, not a beauty guru. But this is such great packaging, it's so pretty. I honestly forgot how much this retailed for, so I'll put it here on the screen. I think there's plenty still available I don't know. Don't quote me on that though. But if you're interested and you're a good Heartstopper fan, you want to support the show, and we are always limited on things that we get in life. So when it comes to our fandom, so go out there and grab a box while you can. This is hyaluronic cream. Order of the Eclipse. Our magical cream cocoons your skin with nourishing elements, leaves behind a mystical brilliance and non-oily smooth finish. So they say. But look at that. Oh my gosh, the babies. Yes, Tara and Darcy. It's Tara, Darcy. Love it. Love, love, love. Season 2 is pretty heavy compared to the first season. I appreciate that. You want to see the characters mature and grow. So their storyline in particular is very interesting. Or the packaging detail there. Ooh. Okay, props to you, mama, because this is beautiful. This little thing here, because look at that. The phases of the moon and this beautiful lilac. Okay. I won't be able to give a full review on like how I think the products work. I will start incorporating this in my daily routine, and then I will let you know probably in a short or a story or a reel on how I honestly feel about these products. Outside of that though, from what I can tell, a lot of care and a lot of creativity to the packaging, so I really do appreciate that. And then we have this thing called a Luna Pimple Patch. So it's several of them, and essentially you just take one, put on the blemish, and remove it when it's done. I guess it changes color, let you know when it's finished. After cleansing and drying the skin, then you can apply the patch to cover your blemish. Then you leave it on until the opaque patch turns white. Minimum 6 hours or use overnight. Works best on late stage pimples or whiteheads. Okay, so those are 4 items already. The next thing that they included in this box is this magnet that says Gay Panic. I love it. This is the saying that's on Charlie's wallpaper on his phone. So I love it. I like things like this because I can display them and like enjoy it. It is rubberized, so all this is just rubber. Gay Panic. And then the next item is just a sticker sheet, which is very cute. Obviously, you gotta like support the brand and show be your true self. And then you have Heartstopper here, and then you have the Gay Panic juice. You say it has 7 items when you're talking about a skincare brand or skincare box. Then I probably would just say includes 3 of our best-selling products, plus some extra goodies. I wouldn't say the 7-piece, I wouldn't promote it that way, just because you're kind of leading people on that they're gonna get more than for the value that they're paying for the box, which again, I don't know. The last item is this playing card, and it's Darcy. So you can get 12 different kinds of cards that come into your box. So these are collectible little cards. The winning card, which would have the whole gang in it, would actually give you a grand prize. So they do have like this little fun lottery game that goes with this, but I love it. The wild card is Darcy Olsen, which is duh, and it says has a strong gay intuition. Of course she does. She likes anti-homophobic cheese and playing pranks on Tara, which is so true. And played by the wonderful actor Kizzy. And that's just the back of the card. The toning lotion is $22. The cleanser is $18. The cream is retailing for $28. One packet that comes with 24 Luna Pimple patches retails for $8.50. The total value comes out to $76.50. The limited edition box itself is retailing for $85. However, if you do use that 10% initial discount code, it does actually bring it down to the comparable price. So those were the items, and of course you just saw the price comparison. In the end, regardless what I thought I got the value of the box, I am just happy to have some more Heartstopper memorabilia for my collection. This would be a really cute keepsake box if I didn't destroy it, but I would probably display it with this facing out, and then, you know, the books and all that good stuff. Regardless, this is stuff that, as you understand as collectors, you know there's items, you know how to finagle them and use them to your advantage so you can be a happy collector. And I am one happy collector at the end of the day. I will link down this company's information down below. Go ahead and check them out. Hashtag not sponsored, but you can go ahead and see if you would like to pick up your chance to get one of these boxes. I do encourage so. The products do look great. I'm really excited to use them. Again, not an expert in this subject matter, and you have to do what's right for you. Have you been enjoying season 2 of Heartstopper? I've already binged the whole thing. I've cried my eyes out. I loved it. Comment down below. Have you ever heard of this skincare company before? Please remember to be safe. Tell somebody that you love them, because tomorrow is never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!